What I love is how much time we actually spend in the kitchen doing practical work.
So we have timing, we have to provide the food for a table, we need to be ready on time, we need to cook on time, and we need to present our dish to the chef on time. It's easy to make friends. We start all together in level 1, and we have the same team over the years. So yeah, we are quite close now.
The tutors are really helpful. You can always ask questions, find out information. I think as long as you listen, follow instruction, yeah, you do well.
We have a tutor who helps us to build our CV or to find different websites to find a job.
Having conversations with one of my chefs about what to do for the future and yeah, which companies to approach. So they're there to talk to you if you want, yes.
So I chose Lambeth College because it's a real professional kitchen, a real professional environment. So I really wanted to learn how it is to work in this professional environment and have the support of real professionals.
I think it covers a wide spectrum of topics, so it gives you a good basics to then build on from there. I think they're really good because they've worked in the industry, so it's not just that they've been taught to be teachers. We're learning to go into the industry, and it's great to know that you're being taught by people that have done the same.